Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1909 Chevrolet Tahoe two-wheel drive truck, all custom done pickup, or not pickup, SUV, whatever you want to call it. Wicked cool truck, guys. Truck's only got 1,500 miles on a complete body up restoration. Very nicely done. It's got show quality paint on it, guys. I bought the truck out of Arizona. It came out of a in fact, I'd love to own all this guy's trucks. He had 4 trucks there. They were all black. They were all painted like this. Just super nice stuff. But just laser straight, gorgeous jet black paint. It's got custom two-tone interior. Again, 1,500 miles on a body up restoration. And if you're looking for a little custom Tahoe to have some fun with, I think you'll have a blast with this truck. 2-inch drop spindles on the front, C-notched rear, good running 5.3 Vortec engine underneath the hood. You can see it's got the cowl hood. I love the look, man. They've got everything blacked out. Matter of fact, I drove this car a couple days ago, or drove this truck a couple days ago to go look at a car for sale here locally, and just a killer little truck, man. Air blows nice cold. It's got a thumping radio system in it too. It's all mounted underneath the rear seat. Front spoiler, blacked out bumper. Look at the paint on this thing. That is 15, 20 grand in paint right there, I guarantee you. Tinted glass. 22-inch American wheels all the way around it with Continental rubber. Just a cool truck, man. Like I say, if you're looking for something fun, something different, I think you'll have a blast with this little truck. I'll tell you what, it's an attention getter, man. Everywhere I drove it the other day, people were just all over it. Kind of nice and straight that thing is. Sits good. I mean, you see the flag waving in the paint. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Again, 22-inch chrome American racing wheels all the way around it. Front disc brakes. Again, 5.3 Vortec V8 EFI engine. He did say that they didn't go all the way through the motor, but they went through the injectors and stuff like that. Automatic overdrive trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, air. Air blows ice cold. Like I say, truck just drives great. Here, open that door for me. Well, we'll leave that one open when we can. I may not stay, it's on the hill. You can just kind of set it, then I'll get it. Let's see how clean that truck is. Look at that. Like I say, you can see yourself in the paint, man. It's beautiful. I know guys are getting frustrated. I apologize, guys. I've been on the hunt to buy stuff. My building's empty, and I know guys are getting a little frustrated because cars are getting sold before I get them advertised, but it's a little door tag. All your interior lights and stuff seem to be working. Beautiful custom two-tone gray interior, power seat works, power windows, locks, mirrors. Look how clean that thing is. Bucket seats, center console, tilt, cruise. Custom headliner with an overhead console. Showing 111 on the odometer. Factory gauges. Again, really cool sound system, and it's got a touch screen. I can't tell you all the functions. It's got a little remote you see sitting there, but I can tell you one thing. It came on when I flipped it on. That turned the radio down. That thing will jump out at you. It's got some sound. Look how clean. Most of these that I look at are just rotted right out here in the back. Car cover comes with it. Again, this truck's out of Arizona. Sorry for the dust. Really cool truck, man. Very clean underneath. Floors and everything are real nice. Again, good sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Look how clean the doors are. Seats are nice, very comfortable. Again, you can see everything mounted underneath your rear there. That's for your radio. Rear seat's nice. This interior is gorgeous. Again, dual blacked out power mirrors. Great sound, man. I mean, this thing really sounds good. Flip your air on, Gary. Turn your air on. Go ahead and cut it back off. Give it a little rev. Like I say, truck drives great. It was blazing hot the other day. I drove it with all the windows up and the air on. Fun truck to drive. Yeah, got handprints all over it. Gauges are all functional. All you gotta do is open that. I'll come to the other side and show that. Brake lights, turn signals, backup lights. All that stuff works, yeah. Give a little rev, Gary. Truck sounds killer, man. Again, radio is all touchscreen and remote. I mean, like I say, you'll have to kind of probably go to I always tell people on stuff like this, go to a radio shop and have them show you all the functions. Wipers, headlights. Boy, I got something. I got something on my hand. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that. by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look how clean and straight that thing is.